Master the art of reviewing and revising your notes for language learning. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a super important topic for anyone who's learning English or any other language: improving note-taking skills. More specifically, we will focus on the art of reviewing and revising notes. Let's jump right in. When you're learning a new language, you'll often find yourself swamped with new words, phrases, grammar rules, and so on. Taking notes is great, but what do you do with them afterward? The key to solidifying this new knowledge is reviewing your notes effectively. 1. Retention. Constant review helps you remember information over the long term. 2. Understanding. Reviewing helps you understand complex ideas, making connections between different topics. 3. Time management. Regular review sessions save you time when exam season arrives. Timing is everything when it comes to reviewing your notes. You don't want to wait too long and lose the benefits of immediate review, but you also don't want to do it too soon and waste time. 1. After class, spend 10 to 15 minutes going through your notes to reinforce the day's learning. 2. Weekly review. At the end of the week, take some time to review notes from all your classes. 3. Before tests. A more comprehensive review before tests or assessments is crucial. Revising isn't just about reading your notes. The goal is to make them better over time. Here are some effective techniques. 1. Summarize. Take your detailed notes and create bullet point summaries. 2. Highlight. Use colors to highlight key terms, definitions, and examples. 3. Add marginalia. Write additional information, questions, or insights in the margins. 4. Cross-reference. Link related topics to better understand how they are connected. You don't have to be old school to excel at note-taking and reviewing. Here are ways you can use technology. 1. Digital notes. Use apps to write and organize your notes. 2. Spaced repetition. Software like Anki can help you review flashcards at optimal intervals for memory retention. 3. Audio-video clips. Attach audio or video explanations to your digital notes for multi-sensory learning. Well, that wraps up our session on reviewing and revising notes. The road to mastering a new language is long, but the journey becomes smoother if you know how to manage your notes effectively. So, go ahead and make reviewing and revising a regular part of your study routine. You'll be amazed at how much more you remember and understand. Until next time, happy studying!